In a significant development for motorcycle enthusiasts, Kawasaki has officially introduced the highly anticipated 2025's Z550, a motorcycle that aims to set new benchmarks in performance and design within the competitive middleweight segment. Combining cutting-edge technology with classic design elements, the Z550 is positioned to be a transformative addition to the industry. At the core of the Z550 is its newly developed 550 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, which offers an impressive blend of power and efficiency. Kawasaki asserts that riders can anticipate up to 60 horsepower, delivering an exhilarating experience for both experienced riders and newcomers. Paired with a lightweight chassis, this motorcycle facilitates agile handling and exceptional maneuverability, catering to those who seek adventure on two wheels. A notable feature of the 2025's Z550 is its advanced radiology app integration, allowing riders to tailor their experience in unprecedented ways. This functionality includes the ability to adjust suspension settings and monitor performance data in real time, effectively merging technology with practicality to enhance the overall riding experience. Additionally, the motorcycle is equipped with a full-color TFT display, offering essential information at a glance while maintaining a sophisticated aesthetic. Kawasaki has also prioritized safety features. The Z550 is outfitted with a range of advanced systems, including ABS, traction control, and an optional quick shifter that enhances performance without compromising rider safety. These components contribute to making the Z550 not only a powerful machine but also a reliable companion for adventurous excursions. From a design perspective, the 2025 Z550 pays tribute to Kawasaki's storied heritage, featuring retro-inspired lines infused with contemporary elements. The motorcycle is available in several striking color options, including Kawasaki's iconic green, appealing to both traditionalists and modern enthusiasts. The classic round headlight and minimalist tail section are complemented by a stylishly contoured seat, ensuring comfort for both short commutes and extended journeys. The introduction of the Z550 has generated considerable excitement within the motorcycle community, with pre-orders already exceeding expectations. Dealers worldwide are preparing for a surge in demand as enthusiasts seek to secure their piece of Kawasaki innovation. With an anticipated MSRP of approximately $8,500, the Z550 is competitively positioned against its rivals, making it an attractive option for riders seeking value without compromising quality. As Kawasaki prepares for the official launch, industry analysts predict that the Z550 will not only attract riders but also challenge the market dominance of competing manufacturers. With its strategic combination of power, functionality, and aesthetic appeal, the 2025 Z550 is poised to become a cherished staple in the motorcycle landscape. In a year marked by heightened competition in the motorcycle market, Kawasaki has clearly taken the initiative, and the Z550 exemplifies their dedication to innovation and rider satisfaction. As the motorcycle community eagerly anticipates the upcoming riding season, it is evident that the 2025 Kawasaki Z550 is prepared to make its mark in history.